I've been digging through a lot of information from forums, workshops, and real owner experiences to bring you the most important common issues with the Opel Corsa from 2014 to 2019. This will help you better understand your car and avoid surprises. One of the most frequent problems reported by Corsa owners involves the electrical system, especially the instrument cluster. Several users on Reddit and Opel forums mention that the dashboard can suddenly shut off or display incorrect information, which causes confusion while driving. Some even say, the dashboard goes completely black right when I need it most. This is usually caused by loose connections or faults in the instrument cluster's electronic module, which can deteriorate over time due to vibrations or moisture. The manufacturer has acknowledged this problem in some cases and issued technical bulletins recommending checking the connections or, if needed, replacing the entire cluster unit. The most effective solution is to take the car to the dealer for a diagnostic check and, if necessary, replace the faulty part. Another fairly common issue is related to the front suspension, which can produce strange noises and vibrations while driving, something many owners have reported on brand forums. Comments like, "I hear an annoying knocking sound when I go over bumps," or "the vibration doesn't go away, it's driving me crazy," come up often. This usually results from premature wear of the suspension arms or bushings, especially if the car has been driven on rough roads or handled aggressively. Opel has issued some recommendations for regular inspections, but hasn't made any major redesigns in this area. Ideally, these parts should be checked and replaced in time at the workshop to avoid bigger damage and keep driving safe. A third issue that comes up quite a bit, especially in diesel versions of the Corsa, is difficulty starting the engine when it's cold. Many users in communities like Edmonds report that, on freezing mornings, it sometimes won't start, or the engine tries but doesn't start right away. The main cause is usually faulty glow plugs or problems in the injection system, which can get dirty or worn out over time. Opel has responded with software updates and maintenance guidelines for these engines, but often the best recommendation is to replace the glow plugs or clean the fuel system to improve starting. Keeping up with preventive maintenance is key to avoiding this kind of trouble. In summary, these three issues, the electrical dashboard, front suspension, and cold starting, are the most common complaints among Opel Corsa owners from 2014 to 2019. Knowing about them can save you time, money, and headaches when it comes to maintaining or buying this model.